FTP setup. So now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, what is file transfer protocol and how we can crack file transfer protocol. So we need to open the browser inside our system, and you can use either your main Windows or you can use VMware Windows. You can install anywhere, doesn't matter, right? Open the browser of Windows, and there I'm going to show you that how you can download and install file transfer protocol inside your system. So I'm here at google.com inside Windows operating system, right? And I'm using Windows 10 operating system. So let me show you that how you can download file transfer protocol inside your system. So on Google you can type download FileZilla and hit enter. So this is FileZilla official website, filezilla-product.org, and you can come down. This is the website, right? https filezillaproject.org. Now you can click here and open FileZilla inside your browser. So this is FileZilla, and FileZilla is the free FTP solution, right? So you can read here about FileZilla free FTP solution, and a FileZilla client not only supports FTP but also support FTP over TLS, means FTPS, right? It is an open source, so you can download and install it inside your system, right? And so there you can see there are two links are available here. One is download FileZilla client and one is download FileZilla server. Which one you should download? Basically you need to download FileZilla server because we need to create a FTP server inside Windows operating system so that we can attack from Kali Linux to Windows operating system, and we can crack or attack the server installed inside Windows operating system. So we are going to download FileZilla server. This is for Windows only, right? As I've already told you that you need to download and install it inside Windows 10 operating system, either in your main operating system or in your VMware workstation, doesn't matter. Now you can click here. So here it is. So this is the latest stable version of FileZilla server is 0.9.60.2. So please select the file appropriate for your platform now. So this is we are using Windows operating system. It is supported on 7, 8, 8.1 and 10, right? So and 32 and 64-bit, any kind of system of Windows. Now you can click here and download FileZilla inside your system. It is a very small file, around 2 MB file. Click save, and the file is going to download inside your system. This is FileZilla server for Windows operating system. So the file has been downloaded. Here it is, FileZilla server.exe file, and let's install it. So you can click here, and this is the setup. Here you need to read the agreement. After that you can click on I agree. Select what you need here, otherwise you can hit next. Where you want to save the file of FileZilla, I'm saving it inside my C drive. Click next. The default port number used by FileZilla is 14,147, right? Click next and click install. Now it is going to install inside your system. So here it is. Now you can click close, and this is FileZilla, right? You don't need to change anything here. What you need to do here, you can simply click on connect, and the FileZilla server is open inside your system, right? This is just a warning message, you can ignore it. Now how we can set up FTP inside FileZilla, right? How we can set up Windows as a FTP server. So you can see the server here. You can click on edit. Inside edit you can click on users. So let me click on users. Now what we need to do here, we need to set up the username and password of file transfer protocol right here. So how to set up username and password? Let me show you. You can see here the users, right? So, and here's the add button. So you can click on add. You can type the username, whatever you want, your name, anything. Let me type my name here, Sunil, right? Click OK, right? After that you need to type the password, that what password you want for file transfer protocol. So to get information about password, you can click here on the password and you can type any password you want. Let me type the same password, Sunil, right? And if you click on OK, then it is saying that you need to share at least one directory and set it as a home directory. Okay. It means it is saying that you need to provide us at least a single folder in FTP, because what is the use of FTP? The use of FTP is it can transfer files inside your network, right? It is a file transfer protocol. So you need to provide at least a file to file transfer protocol, right? So you can click on shared folder and here you can click on add, and you can add any folder from your system, doesn't matter. So you can click add here and you can select any folder from any directory inside C drive, D drive, any. So let me add something from my D drive. For example, I'm adding this one, overview, and click OK, right? So I have provided a folder inside it. Now my work is done. Now you can click OK. So you can see here, done sending account settings. Great. It means our FTP is ready inside Windows operating system, and we can use it. We can try it inside Windows operating system. How you can check it? If you want to check it, then you can open your browser. Inside your browser, you can type here. First of all, you need to check the IP address before you're typing something inside your system. So let me check my IP address of Windows. Hit your Windows, type here cmd, open command prompt, and inside command prompt you can type ipconfig to check IP address of your system. Hit enter, and I'm on wireless, so this is my IP address. 192.168.0.5 is the IP address of my system, right? Now I can close it, and now I can type here ftp://192.168.0.5. This is the command to open FTP inside your system. ftp:// and the IP address of your system, means IP address of the server, and hit enter. So here you can see that it is showing us a pop-up which is authentication, right? And it is asking the username and password here, right? So you need to type the username and the password which you have set at the time of FTP installation. So the username we have set was Sunil, SUNIL, and same is the password, which is Sunil, SUNIL, right? And when you will click on OK, so here you can see that this is the file, or this is the folder which I have provided inside FTP, and I'm able to access it, right? You can also check it inside Kali Linux. Let me open Kali Linux operating system. Let's see if you are able to access it inside Kali Linux or not. So let me open the browser inside Kali Linux, and inside the browser I can type ftp:// and the IP address of Windows, which is 192.168.0.6. Hit enter. Basically the IP address was 5, so let me edit it and let me make it 5. Hit enter, and here you can see I'm able to access the FTP of Windows inside Kali Linux operating system, right? So again, you can type basically the username, which is Sunil, and the password Sunil, and you can click OK, and you can see here that I am able to access the Windows directory inside my Kali Linux operating system. It means inside my network I can open this file from any system. This is the use of FTP. Set up FTP in one system, right? Provide a folder there and access that file or folder from anywhere inside your network, right? This is called file transfer protocol, and we have successfully installed file transfer protocol inside our system. So this is all about the setup of FTP inside Windows 10 operating system. In the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can crack file transfer protocol using Hydra tool inside Kali Linux. So thank you so much.